literally cannot tell me this isn't my hair. I'm actually kind of gagged. Hello? Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now I'm back with another viral hairstyle. It is none other than the Miracle Knots hairstyle. Now I have already tried out this hairstyle for y'all on my channel. Go ahead and check that out, and y'all are loving that video, but I got a really good question in my comment section. Can you do this hairstyle with synthetic hair? And it wouldn't be me if I did not use Ultra Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist hair, and this is in the length 16 inches. Y'all know that this is the hair that I love to use whenever I'm doing mini twists or spring twists with extensions. Hoping this is enough for my whole head. I did not want it to be too thick, which is why I did not buy more hair. I feel like if you have the hair, you'll be tempted to put it on your head. So I'm only gonna use one pack. This is my hair, y'all. If you watch my channel, you know that I did have a pretty significant trim at the end of October. I have 66 plaits in my head right now. I'm gonna start in the back of my head and then work my way forward and show y'all exactly how to achieve the style. I'll be right back. So this is my pack of hair. So far, I've only used 1/3 of the pack. I think I'll definitely be able to do my whole head with just one pack of hair, which means this is indeed an $8 style. Ain't that crazy, y'all? Okay, so this is the hair. This is 1/3 of the pack. In each bundle, there are 10 like strands of hair. So I'm taking each strand of hair and I'm gonna separate this piece into 8 different pieces, okay? We are looking like so far, and I have just this last section to finish. So let me show you exactly how I'm achieving this hairstyle. So this is my braid, and all you'll need is your hair and your crochet hook. I'm adding 3 pieces of hair unless I feel like I need more. I've been taking my crochet latch and sticking it through the very top of my braid, and I'm going to add hair right here. Taking this piece of hair, I'm gonna hook it right on there, close my latch, and pull it through. And the way that I'm tying my knot, I'm taking both ends of the hair and pulling them through. So this is what it looks like. And I've just been doing that down the length of my hair. Now I will say I try not to put any hair close to the ends of my braids, just because I don't want my hair to unravel with the weight of the added hair. So honestly, I think I'm only gonna add 2 pieces to this braid. That's what it looks like. So again, I'm adding a piece close to the top of the braid. Close that latch. Pull it through. I'm gonna find the loop and take both ends of the added hair through the loop. The crochet part is pretty easy, y'all. What takes the longest when you're doing this hairstyle is separating the pieces of hair that you're going to add in, because it takes a lot of pieces. Do y'all see how my braid is kind of getting loose towards the end? So I'm not going to add anything after this piece because I do not want this to unravel. I'm going to stick my latch through the top of my braid, hook on that hair, close the latch, and pull it through. Now I found my loop. I'm going to take the ends, both ends, pull them through, and then secure the hair. Okay, y'all, I have all of the hair installed in my head. I basically used almost one whole pack. This is the third bundle, and I still have 4 of the 10 pieces that are in this bundle. So I basically used 2.5 bundles. So we have to make this look like something. I'm hoping I can go in and define this hair. Now, this is the difference between using synthetic hair versus human hair. Human hair would be a lot easier to define, but because this is synthetic, I have to be very careful with the products that I'm using. As y'all can see, there's nothing being defined. I went ahead and braided my hair up into 4 large plaits. Honestly, I put hair product on it, but I knew better than that, y'all. It's synthetic hair. Hair products are not really going to do anything. The only way to really make synthetic hair do anything is by adding heat. Obviously, I'm going to have to dip my natural hair in here as well, and I do not want to damage my hair by putting it in super hot water. So I boiled some water like maybe an hour ago, and I went ahead and poured it into this mug right here. It's definitely not super hot anymore. Like I could, it's still a little hot, but it's definitely not boiling. So I'm gonna stick my hair in here and just let the hair loosen up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip my braids into this warm water. I'm not gonna go all the way down because I really want to concentrate on the synthetic hair and not my natural hair. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 seconds. Okay, so this is my hair. I'm gonna let these braids dry up a little bit, and then I will unravel them and show you what the hair is looking like. So today is the next day. I am back and I'm ready to unravel my braids. Wait a second. Let her cook. Let her cook. Okay, y'all. I don't know what I was expecting, but it was not this. I'm actually kind of gagged. I feel like my hair grew 20 inches overnight. Like, what? This is where my lock is. Can y'all see my lock? Say hi to baby lock. Even though she's not a baby anymore, she's definitely like a preteen. This looks like my natural hair. And I know I say that a lot, but this actually looks like my natural hair. Now, obviously, this is not what I was going for. I wanted my hair to look like a synthetic version of the human hair hairstyle I had already done. I was looking for a little bit more definition, you know, have a little bit more curl pattern. But this is gorgeous. I don't know what the back looks like, so y'all let me know if I need to fix something back there. Now, obviously, you can see the ends of my hair. in different areas, that really doesn't bother me. I don't care. Look at my hair. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.